The learning is Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov. Masech Nedarim Perek Zayin Mishna Dalet. Nedarim in Abayis. So someone makes a neder from a house, mutter ba'aliyah. So he's allowed to use the second floor of the house. Bayis is only referring to the first floor and not the second floor. Divir Rameir, that's the Shita Rameir. Chachamim Moimrim Aliyah b'chal Bayis. Chachamim hold no, when he's Nedarim min Abayis, it includes both floors of the house. Nedarim min Aliyah, but everyone agrees if he just said Aliyah, then he's dafka being neider from the second floor of the house, but mutter bebayis, he's mutter in the house. Mishna hey, hanoider min hamita, mutter bedargish, diver Rameir. Rameir holds when a person makes a neder from a bed, he's allowed to use the dargish. What's the dargish? There's two pshatim in the Gemara. The first pshat in the Gemara is that it was a bed that was set up in the house for mazel of the house. The Rosh over there explains that it was used for nikias, to keep the house clean, and that was a segula for ashiris. And the second pshat in the Gemara is that a dargish is a arsa detzala, which is a leather bed that is used for sleeping on, but it's also not chashiv. And the Gemara over there explains there were leather strings around the edge that were attached to hooks. The Rav over here brings a pshat and dargish where I'm not sure where it's coming from because it doesn't seem like either pshat in the Gemara, but he teaches it that's like a step stool to get onto the main bed that you sleep on. Regardless of what it is, Rameir Shita is that it's not bechal mita. The Chachamim argue dargish bechal mita. No, if someone's noider from a mita, that includes dargishes also. But everyone agrees hanoidim in a dargish. If you made a neder not to use the dargish, then mutter b'mita. In the word dargish is for sure not including a mita. The next chelik of the Mishnah is the chelik between an ir and a bayis. If someone makes a neder from an ir or a bayis, when does it start? So, legabe ir, it says, hanoider min ir, someone makes a neder from the city, mutter likanis l'tchuma shel ir, you could go within the tchum, within the 2,000 amas of the city, but also likanis li'ibura, you're not allowed to go into the ibur of the city, which ibura shel ir in Erevin means it's an amount of 70 amas v'shirayim and a little bit more around the city. So that is considered part of the city. If you made a neder from the city, you're also not allowed to go within the ibur of the city. But within the tchum, 2,000 amas you could. So the beginning of the city is starting from 70 amas and a little bit more from outside the city. But if someone makes a neder from a house, so where's the beginning of the house? It's from the place where the door closes, the doorstep, and inside. But any place out of that or on the agaf itself is going to be mutter.